Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to this exciting event centered on the wait. Welcome to this exciting event centered on the mesmerizing theme of patterns. Patterns are everywhere, from nature's design to mathematical symmetries, and they shape our understanding of the world. Today, we'll unravel the beauty, importance, and possibility of patterns. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a journey to discover the incredible world of patterns together. Now, let's welcome Abigail.
Thank you, Zoya. So, are you able to see?
Yeah.
Yes, Abigail.
The introduction. My name is Abigail and I'm living in Oman. So, today I will like you to invite you all to my patterns webinar. So, patterns. What is patterns? Patterns are something that which repeats forever. That means like patterns always repeat, it never has an end. It goes on and on. So now let's watch a video and understand what is patterns.
Hi, everybody! Today, I'm going to talk to you about patterns. Patterns. Maybe even patterns. Oh, I really like patterns. Okay, so a pattern is something that happens again and again. And when something happens again and again, we say that it repeats. 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 Okay, that was a pattern that was made by repeating sounds and repeating actions. But did you know we can also see patterns? Oh, yes, we can. For example, look at this beautiful sweater. Oh, wow. If you look closely, the same kind of stripes happen again and again. Red, green, yellow. Then red, green, yellow. Then red, green, yellow. And when the same things happen again and again and in the same order, it is called a pattern. And a pattern always repeats. Okay, so let us practice some patterns together. And first, we are going to practice with our hands. Most people have two hands, a left hand and a right hand. Now let's make a pattern. When I say left, raise your left hand high. When I say right, raise your right hand high. And you can say the words with me too. Ready? Okay, go. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Good job. Left and right repeat in the same order, so that was a pattern. Now, instead of saying left and right, raise the same hands, but say A and B. Ready? Okay, go. A, B. A, B. A, B. A, B. Oh, wow, good job. A and B repeat in the same order. So that was a pattern. And guess what? A pattern that has two things that repeat like that is also called an A-B pattern. Fascinating. Okay, now let's make an A-B pattern, but with colors, red and blue. And we will also see what this pattern could look like too at the same time. Ready? Okay, go. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, let's look at this pattern. We know that it is a pattern with two things, red and blue. And we can say that this is the core of the pattern. It is not just the red that happens again and again, and it is not just the blue that happens again and again. It is the red and the blue together. And it is this red and blue core that always repeats. Okay, you've done such a good job. It is now time for a break outside. Now, let's make some more patterns, but this time, instead of two different things that repeat, there will be three different things that repeat. And this is sometimes called an A, B, C pattern. So let's use those letters. Now, instead of the order going left and right, it is going to go left, right, up. Let's do this together with our hands and our voices. Ready? Okay, go. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. Wow! Okay, let's do another three-thing pattern, but this time with something else. What can we use? Oh, I know. How about popcorn, unicorn, and mustache? Popcorn, unicorn, mustache. And let's also see what a popcorn, unicorn, mustache pattern would look like too. Ready? Okay, go. Popcorn, unicorn, mustache. Popcorn, unicorn, mustache. Popcorn, unicorn, mustache. Okay, good job. So we know that this is a pattern with three things: popcorn, unicorn, mustache. And that this is the core of the pattern. And the core always repeats. And now I have some questions. Question number one. Here is the core of the pattern: popcorn, unicorn, mustache. So what would come next right here? That's right, it would be popcorn. Yay! And after popcorn, right here, what would come next? That's right, it would be unicorn. Yay! And after unicorn, what would come next? That's right, it would be mustache. Yay! Question number two. What do you think would happen if the pattern keeps going? Do you think it would stay the same or be different? That's right, it will stay the same. The pattern will be the same before and after. Watch. And last question. Oh no, some of the pattern is missing. Can you help me fill it in? Let's look just before the missing spaces. There is popcorn, unicorn, mustache. Then popcorn. So here would be what? That's right, unicorn. And let's try to figure out the last space. So there is popcorn, unicorn, mustache, popcorn, unicorn, orange juice? No, let's try again. Okay, popcorn, unicorn, mustache, popcorn, unicorn, a pink airplane with a funny hat? Okay, wait, no, let's try one last time. There is popcorn, unicorn, mustache. Popcorn, unicorn, mustache. Yay! Okay, you've done such a good job. It is now time for a break outside. Our channel for more laughing and learning from Scratch Garden. And did you know that we have another whole video on patterns called the Pattern Practice Song? Oh, yes, we do. And you should watch it many times. Maybe even on repeat.
So from table of contents, today we are going to learn about patterns in math, patterns in music, patterns in dress. Patterns in math. In math, a pattern is a repeated adjustment of numbers, shapes, colors, and so on. The pattern can be related to any type of event or object. If the set of numbers are related to each other in a specific rule, the rule or the manner is called a pattern. Sometimes the patterns are also known as a sequence. Examples of patterns in math. So this is an example, and I'll say the rule. It's like we need to add the 2 is the first number, so we need to add 2, and that will be 4. And after adding 4, we need to add 1 more. That will be 5. So 5. The next number is 5. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, and like that it so goes on forever. Pattern in music. Pattern in music refers to the discovery, representation, selection, or an interpretation or repeat structures within a single piece, intra-oppose or copro, inter-oppose is a central part of music and ancestor musical style and genre. Improvisation called precision and composition. So this is like an example which I created. So this is how the pattern goes on, like this pattern. Patterns in dress. Patterns can be one or two things. It is either the decoration that repeats over and over a fabric, or it is a flat template made of paper or card that is used as the key instruction gadget or cutting the separate pieces of a garment. But pattern piece are tracked or to fold or to allow or size, slim, allowance, and fit. Pattern can be of two things. It is either the example in pattern example of patterns in dress. This is one patterns which is non-wavy design, and this is straight lines. That's all. And this is the video which they brought, so I can just show you.
Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. What comes next? I don't know what to do. What comes next? The color is blue. Six, three, three, six, three, three, six, three.
So can anyone guess what will become here?
3.
Correct.
What comes next? Oh, what will it be? What comes next? The number is 3. Triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle.
So can anyone say?
Square.
Where?
Square.
Okay.
What comes next? I don't know what comes there. What comes next? The shape is a square. A, A, B, B, A, A, B, B, A, A, B, B, A.
Say
A.
A.
What comes next? I don't know what to say. What comes next? The letter is an A.
Can I ask a question? Yeah. Why? What is the importance of patterns? Patterns are everywhere. If there was no pattern, like the world would be so boring. Like if even the sun, like the planets cannot obtain the sun, like there's a pattern line. If patterns are not there, the planet will drift away. And patterns are like everywhere. We can see it in like everywhere. Like we can see it on drawing, everything. Like rainbows are like what uh lines like which are curved. Those like that lines are repeated. So that's how we form a rainbow. Like that's the patterns everywhere.
Can I ask something?
Yeah.
What are the benefits of understanding and using these patterns?
Patterns like patterns there will be can you say the question one more time?
Yeah, like what are the benefits and what are the benefits and wait. Yeah, what are the benefits and understanding of these patterns?
So patterns I don't know what to say. Like patterns can be like patterns benefits are there's no benefits. Like I don't know. I don't know about benefits.
Oh, okay.
Patterns are important. That's
Okay.
any more questions?
I think no.
Any more questions? Anybody have any more questions?
No.
Okay, I think we can wind up if nobody have any questions.
Abigail can wind up.
Okay.
Abigail, if you want, you can ask questions to them, Abigail.
Okay. So I have one pattern sequence, so they should find the way. Okay. So the first question can be to Farhana. Farhana, are you here? Farhana?
Yes.
Okay, I asked. Yeah, okay. So I have a question for you. So there's one pattern. So the pattern is 1, 5, and not 5. Like, okay, I have another one. Not 5. 1 and 3 and 7.
Um, what can you say again?
1, 3, 7.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just give you a simple pattern then. So, okay, not. So the pattern is 1, 10, 20.
Again?
1, 10, 20. I gave you a simple one.
Okay, so I want to say the next one is what?
Like, no, you have to say the rule of it.
I can't because the microphone is having some problem.
Okay, so can anyone answer my pattern's rule?
Can I? 30.
Yeah, just say.
Oh, what is the question again? 1, 10, 20.
1, 10, and 20.
So I had to tell what is after 20.
No, you have to say the
Okay.
rule of it.
So the rule is that we have to just repeat it like 1, 10, 20. Then after then again just repeat it 1, 10,
Yeah,
20.
we know we'll repeat it, but there's a rule. There's a rule for it. Can you guess the rule?
I don't know.
Okay, so does anyone know? Does anyone?
I think
Okay, I'll say the rule. Like, what?
I think nobody knows.
Okay. Can you say it?
I think nobody knows the answer.
Okay, I'll say the answer. So the answer is simple. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So 10 we got. 1 was there first and 10 we got. So 10 we need to add the same number. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Like, it's a simple math addition. And I have one dress. Like, I hope you can guess it. Like, all of you know patterns now, right? Can anyone guess this pattern? Then I'll show the pattern and then I can upload. Yeah. So this is the pattern. Can anyone guess? I didn't say it in the meeting, but you can search in the Google Ads. If you know it, can you please raise your hands, okay? Sorry.
I don't know what's answering.
Okay. So did everyone search?
Yes, Abigail?
Like, ma'am, I gave them this dress pattern, so I asked them to guess it.
Abigail, if you didn't get the answer, you can continue, Abigail.
Okay, so the dress pattern is plaid. I hope everyone knows checkers. So it's almost like checkers, but it's plaid. So I have another one. So the other one is this.
If anyone knows the answer, please respond.
Yeah. You can just type for this like patterns of dresses. Something.
I can't find this pattern.
Okay, so should I say
Yeah.
the pattern is polka dots, and I think like I hope you all remember this one. Can anyone say? Please raise your hand. Okay. Johan, you can say.
Zigzag pattern.
No, the answer is wrong. I said this pattern in patterns in dress. This pattern.
Yellow and white.
No.
Can I say?
Who is it?
Zoya.
Okay, say.
Is it waves?
Yeah, you're correct. And which is
This is line pattern.
what?
It's a line pattern.
No, that's not the name. You're correct, but that's not the name of it. That's another name for
Ihan, do you want to say?
Johan. You can say if you want.
Okay, so the pattern is stripes.
Yeah, you're correct. And there's another name for this also, zebra pattern.